Hey loves, it is your girl, lovely angel lady L-A-L. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. So today we are bright and blue. I got on my favorite color, Azul. I love blue so much. But anywho, let's get into this video and what the video is about. Alright, so this right here is a Pixie headband wig that I copped from Amazon. Okay, cost me $21.99. $21.99, under $25. And so I am loving the color. I am loving a whole lot. So let's, without further ado, hop on into this, child. Yes. So let me give y'all the tea on sis. So this is from a store called Allegius store. This is from a store called Allegius. Okay, and this is a pixie cut headband wig, short curly, human hair though. Okay, human hair. So I kind of just treated her like she was my own. You know, I rock a TWA, and when I wear my hair, my natural hair, you know, I pretty much put the same products that I use today. So anywho, I have a 1B27, so this is sis right here, and I will include the information for y'all up here, so look up, and then I will drop everything below in the description box for y'all. Okay, so yeah, she's a T27, which means like her roots are a little darker, which that's how my roots look right now, because my actual hair is colored like pretty close to this color here, and my roots are darker now because it's growing out. Yeah, baby. So $21.99, can't beat it. Didn't get a whole lot of shedding. I'm gonna show y'all how I styled this. Really straightforward, simple, and she came with a leopard print. She came with this leopard print headband right here, and your girl put on this because kind of matched, you know, what I was putting on today. I don't know if y'all can see. Yeah, so I got on some shorts and some blue boots with a heel and a little petite blazer, a blue blazer. And y'all, I will also drop the information down below for my girl Jen at Snob Closet. Go check her out, Snob Closet, you heard me? Yeah, so that's where I copped this lippy that I am wearing, again from Snob Closet. And the lip color that I am wearing today is Royalty. Okay, yeah, Royalty. So yeah, very cute. So that's why I went all out with the color. Y'all know I'm not always in the mood to do color eyeshadows, but we played today. Yeah, sugars. But let me see what else I can tell y'all about this chick right here. So yeah, she is human hair. She does have the black headband with the Velcro, and she does have the two combs out this way, and I did use mine and one in the back, and she does have adjustable straps. I use all of the above. What I do with my black headband is flip it upward so that it's not way down here, so you could, you know, I can expose my baby hairs a little bit. So yeah, that's all we did. Really simple and straightforward. This this gold choker I got from Shein. This blazer, y'all, I copped from Ross. I'm gonna throw pics up at the end. Shorts, they're petite as well. I got those from Ross. The boots came from Shoe Dazzle. Got those about a year ago, last winter I believe. So anywho, I'm gonna put pictures, but y'all sit tight to see how I styled this chick. And yeah, if you are enjoying my channel like I hope you are, please make it official and become one of my loves, become one of my lovelies by subscribing. It is free, 99, don't cost you nothing, don't cost you no coins. So please make it official and join the LAL fam. Would love to have you in my life. I need to have you in my life. So yeah, and please also follow your girl on social media. I would greatly appreciate that. And sharing is caring. Please, 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 water by water, share this video. on whatever platform you choose to share it on. I will forever appreciate you for that. Y'all know I love y'all so very much. But let's see how I style sis, and I'm gonna catch y'all later. So enjoy the video, loves, and stay to the end to see the pics of, you know, my outfit of the day. And this is my makeup of the day that y'all seeing right here. Yeah, y'all. So like I said, blue is my favorite color, so I'm super loving it. These are the same press-on nails that I had on. So this is week 2, we're going strong. Got these from Amazon, and I glued the little bear on, got those from Amazon too. So got a little collection of bears in different colors. But anyway, y'all, I hope you enjoy this video. Let me know if y'all have any questions. Would y'all rock a little pixie like this? At first Josh gonna say, when I was like, do I look 2? He gonna say, you look about 8. I was like, well, I know you feel wrong for looking at me. But anyway, y'all, let's go on about our business.
Get